Since the Mandali had tolerated poor living conditions at Meherabad for over 20 years, Baba consented to this new construction later in 1947. The opening celebration was filmed on the morning of July 23, 1948. This new bungalow provided a large meeting hall as well as living quarters, a kitchen, and bathing rooms for the men Mandali. Meher Baba's meetings with his men disciples preceding the new life took place here. The Mandali Hall was also used for meetings during the Sahavas programs in the 1950s. The photographs of Meher Baba and his parents on the wall above Baba's chair were placed there according to his instructions, and his chair was used here by him. The clock is also from Baba's time. The photographs on the walls depict certain stages of Baba's activities in the hall. The sayings above in different languages are from the 1958 Sahavas. Muhammad Mast lived in the hall for many years before being moved to the pantry room in the south end of the building. That room can be entered by going through Padri's kitchen on the south end of the east veranda. This kitchen was used by Padri and other men Mandali staying at Meherabad through the years. Facing the bungalow from the west, Padri's room can be seen just to the left of Mandali Hall. It is furnished much as it was when he was alive and gives an idea of how comparatively comfortable the Mandali were allowed to live in the later years. This room also contained Padri's homeopathic dispensary from which he treated many patients until his death in 1982.